Hello, class third student. How are you? I think you are all fine and you are enjoying the videos that we are sending to you. And still we believe that you are studying hard seeing this video. I know during this pandemic condition we are facing some troubles, but despite that we have to give a acceleration to our study so that we can smoothly continue our study. So children, accelerate in your study. Let us study today about logo program and how to close window. Yesterday it was Sunday. I mean to say that the previous class I taught you about primitives. So today I will be teaching you about program and closing logo window. Actually today the date is 14th of September. What is today? Today is 14th of September. Okay children, a certain protocol is inculcated everywhere. बेटा कहने का मतलब है कि हर एक समाज में, हर एक सोसाइटी में कुछ प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं, कुछ नियम होते हैं, कुछ रूल होते हैं. हर एक सब्जेक्ट में, द सब्जेक्ट दैट यू आर स्टडिंग, उसमें भी प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं. जैसा मैथमेटिक्स हो गया, इसमें भी बेटा प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं. इन मैथमेटिक्स देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोटोकॉल्स, सर्टेन फॉर्मूलाज बेस्ड ऑन व्हिच द क्वेश्चंस आर सॉल्व्ड. In computer we also have protocols, and in our daily life also we have protocols. So beta in logo also we have some protocols and primitives, and beta and we have a program also. And what is program? A set of primitives is known as program. What is program? A set of primitives is known as program. बेटा अगर जब कोई आपसे डेफिनेशन पूछे प्रोग्राम, if anybody is asking you the definition of program, so you can just say that a set of primitives is known as program. Is it clear? A set of primitives is known as programs. So what is that primitive? Now the word primitive is striking your mind or not? Am I sure the word primitive is striking your mind? So primitive means a set of rules, a set of certain rules. But whenever we are designing a program or we are writing a program, then that program needs some certain rules, and that is what we call as primitives. Is that clear? Now children will learn how to close logo window, how to closing of logo window. So it is very simple. Listen carefully. Children, closing logo window. What happens to close the logo program? If we have completed the work on logo, then our first task is that we should close the logo program, and then we have to turn off our system. So in order to close the logo program, we have to follow certain steps. So the first step is that click on the file tab. What you have to do? You have to click on the file tab. It is on the left corner top, on the top. After that you have to click on exit. What do you mean by exit? बेटा आप जानते होंगे, आप कभी किसी बड़े मॉल शॉप में जाते होंगे. Whenever you are visiting a big malls, then you find there entrance and exit. Entrance means to enter and exit means to go out. So here also the same thing is that beta, you have to click on the file tab, and after that you have to click on exit. And what happens? You are out of the MSW logo and you can close the program. So it is a very simple program, and it is very simple to close also. So let me tell you, write the steps of how to close logo window. So in order to close logo window, what you have to do, you have to follow the certain given steps. And what are the steps? Please listen carefully. The steps are as follows. To close the logo programs, comma, follow these steps. Number 1, click on the file tab, which is on the topmost corner of the left panel of the program. Topmost corner. Suppose that बेटा ये MSW लोगो का प्रोग्राम मतलब स्क्रीन है और इस साइड पे आपको ये फाइल टेब मिलेगा जी. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन exit. Clear? So children, this is all about your chapter introduction to MS-DOO. Let us have a small review of this chapter. Please listen carefully. First point, what is logo? Logo is a computer language. Logo is a computer language that is used to draw figures and perform some calculations. The first question that strikes your mind is that what is logo? So logo is a computer language that is used to draw some specific pictures and to perform some specific calculations. Second point, the turtle is a triangle shaped cursor. अब इस चैप्टर में बेटा सेकंड पॉइंट क्या है? पहले तो लोगो आता है. लोगो क्या है? लोगो एक कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज है जो सर्टेन पिक्चर और सर्टेन प्रोग्राम सॉल्व करने के लिए बनाया गया है. उसके बाद इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म ये आता है टर्टल, TURTLE, जो ट्राइंगल शेप में होता है. सो व्हाट इज दिस टर्टल? द टर्टल इज ए ट्राइंगल शेप कर्सर. थर्ड, सम कमांड्स आर रिटन टू मूव द टर्टल. नाउ बेटा some commands are written to move the turtle. You can move the turtle forward, backward, left, right. Turtle को बेटा forward, backward, left, right चारों डायरेक्शन में मूव किया जा सकता है. Now the next point is a set of primitives is known as program. अभी जस्ट जो हमने पढ़ा है कि प्रोग्राम क्या होता है, तो a set of primitives is known as program. I think children you are clear with this chapter. It is very interesting and very easy topic. Please view my video again and again, and most probably on Saturday we will have the Zoom doubt classes. Till then enjoy the video, study hard, have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.